Well, that can't be good. So this is really kind of gonna suck today, but it is what it is. I got to get it done. For starters, what I'm gonna do is basically, I'm gonna basically get the, it's kind of hard to see, but so the exhaust disconnected right there. So I lost initially one bolt and the other bolt came out yesterday. So essentially what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna disconnect that resonator there, and I'm gonna disconnect this muffler right now, and I'm gonna bring it to my grandfather's shop so I can wrench on it there, because the ground is super freaking wet right now. So hopefully I don't get too muddy. We're gonna go ahead and pull this thing apart, and I'm just gonna run with basically the mid pipe up there. So you guys can see I have some Loctite right now. I'm actually gonna use a little bit of Loctite on the rear bolts just to kind of keep them from backing off again, because I have a feeling that this car with the solid motor mounts and the torque is going to cause everything to keep backing off pretty much. So I'm going to need to come up with some type of solution, and I think the blue Loctite is going to work decent. So let's get this thing jacked up. Look at it, it's just dangling. I got my 14 millimeters, and I contacted Beyond Revolution earlier on eBay. I figured, you know, why not, just to ask, see if they would send me out another gasket and a couple bolts, and they basically said no, whatever, you guys do what you want, I don't really care anyways. I was lucky to find 2 bolts that I received with the exhaust from the first time that I didn't use. So I just got to get another nut for this one, and then I completely lost the gasket, guys. Look at this. So there's no gasket. Everything backed off. So initially I thought it was this pipe. I thought it was up front where the header was, but I got to check that too. So when I get to my Gramps shop, I'm going to check that. But for right now, I just got to work on disconnecting the resonator right here and the muffler. So you can see there's a bolt there, and then there's a bolt on the other side. All right. Guys, resonator is off. You guys can see. You can already see right here. I lost a bolt on the flange for the header, guys, on the right side. Oh my God, dude. So I'm gonna have to do something with that now. Welcome to another episode of Gerb's Exhaust Shop. All right, the 3-inch rice pipe is off. So this is gonna be a very loud ride, guys, with just the mid pipe on. No resonator, no muffler, and a catless header. So probably gonna get pulled over, honestly, but yeah, hopefully we make it to my Gramps shop, no issues. I need to get another bolt now. All right, guys, she's all tucked in. You guys could see. So let's head over and get this thing all fixed up. This thing is insane right now. I'm totally getting pulled over. There's no questions about it, man. But, you know what? At least I'll just tell them I'm going to fix my exhaust, right? Whatever. Sometimes you gotta take chances. Dude, oh my God. right, guys. So my GoPro's about to die. So what I'm gonna do is put Loctite on the bolts. So I got the bolts and I got the gaskets here. I still need to get another bolt because I only have 4 right here, and I noticed that the one where the header flange is off. So literally gonna put this stuff back on, put some Loctite on all these bolts.